Now, for decades, financial hardships have robbed many adults of the opportunity to pursue education, leaving behind broken dreams of a better life. But today, thanks to one unique initiative, those dreams are being revived without the burden of fees. Men and women, some even in their 70s, are defying age and circumstances to reclaim their education. Known fondly as Field of Education, the school offers a second chance to those whose academic journeys were cut short by poverty and other life challenges. Well-wishers of the Migunda Adult Learning Center, led by Director of Alternative Provision of Basic Education and Training, Paul Wanjohe, are calling on the government to formally recognize and expand such initiatives.
Competence-based education, we have a space for the out-of-school learners, that is either young or the adults. And so today we came here to empower them and to encourage them.
This area, majority of our people are businessmen, others are farmers. So now they have embraced education. They are able to do their things well and being organized.
We need to start other courses that will empower them, because even in our vision and motto, we have empowerment is a key thing. We do not just want to give them academic, we also want to give them something that they can have as an income generating activity when they live here.
Na nimejua ya kwamba Mungu ametenda mambo ya ajabu, sababu kurudi kwa shule nikiwa mtu ambaye ako na age kubwa sio sana, sababu hata unachekwa na huku nje. Unauliza wao unarudi shule watoto wako nao wafanye nini? Lakini imenitia mloa kabisa, nikawa mtu ambaye anajua kwamba nikikuja hapa there is something I gain.
Well, we now take a short commercial break here on KTN News.